It's
You're crackless.
It's always out.
Yeah.
Can you put your arms out?
No, I don't like doing it
I
like
don't
that.
care. Breathe in. Now breathe out slow. That's not fair. Get back down, bitch.
Get back down.
I love you. Okay, breathe in. Now out.
Oh, I got a little one.
Okay, breathe in. Now breathe out. What? Put that down. What?
I know, she's like...
Okay, breathe in.
My boobs hurt.
Okay, you guys,
Lisa,
wait.
can you like pull them up here, like...
Lift up. Lift them up.
I did.
They're up? Okay, breathe in. Now breathe out. Wait. Oh.
Oh.
Oh! I'm so scared. Off me now.
Remember last night when you're like, I'm just gonna pee on myself. Oh, is it going?
Melissa doesn't have boobs. This should be.
Yeah, no,
Jordan just have. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna break you. Breathe in.
I know, that's what I was
Now breathe out.
I think Lisa cracked.
I know, I cracked her hard.
Oh, my back hurts now.
No, it's saying. I'll tell you what. Who wanted to know?
Me.
Okay, I can do it again. Are you really recording?
Yeah.
No, Garrett. Oh, God.
Did anyone
fucking hear that?
Gosh, nobody.
I heard.
Here, you're supposed to be